Derek bought this house as a bachelor pad, but it became a family home when he met Catarina.
I rented the house for a number of years, and then I purchased it about 10 years ago.
When I first saw this house, I thought, oh my God, this guy needs help. Now we need help. This house means a lot to him, but I have no attachment whatsoever to this place. I want a better place for my family.
How many people live a short walk away from a big sandy beach? And we're only 5 minutes to downtown. It's perfect. Location, location, location.
The problem is the house. So why not to find another house in this location, location, location?
I recognize that both the downstairs bathroom and the upstairs bathroom need to change, and if that gets accomplished, then there's no way she'll want to move.
I don't think we have the time or more money to keep on putting into this house. It's time to move on.
I'm definitely staying in this house. There's no way, nothing that can make me move.
How are those beautiful shoes feeling?
Aren't they gorgeous?
I said, how are they feeling?
They're hurting.
After you.
This has not been renovated.
It has its charm, though.
Do you find this charming?
I do, actually.
Oh, okay.
Nice high ceilings, trim,
Trim.
wainscoting.
Right, so which way would you like to go?
I think we should go right.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I was going to say left, but you know, okay.
There is forward also, you know.
How do you like the ceiling in here?
I don't.
How do you like the little fireplace?
I don't. Charm's kind of going down.
Is
a
it?
little bit.
Given up a dining room to have a play area, obviously.
Eesh.
Okay, let's go on.
Oh, boy.
Look at the kitchen, it's falling apart.
It is. That's
Keep going with the charm.
kind of horrific.
Tell me about the charm.
No, there's no charm.
But look at this. I want to see what's going on outside. Look how gorgeous this is.
Oh, my God, they back onto a ravine. Wow.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
It's incredible. They don't back onto houses.
I think if I could just get that basement fixed up, the bathroom fixed up, this wall down, and my kitchen connection with dining and living, this house will work 100% better.
Can Hilary reinvent the space and give them more? Yes. But I don't think it's going to be enough. It's an incredible location. We're downtown.
Definitely.
We're backing onto a ravine.
You just made a face like, who cares about the ravine?
I love the ravine, but I spend most of my time inside my house. I just had enough. Now
Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay.
I want to go.
I've done an evaluation on your current house, and it's $1.1 million.
Ooh, I see a...
It's not a great house, but because of the ravine, I thought it would be a little bit more.
Once you do the renovation, I mean, the value is going to jump dramatically. And, you know, especially in this market, the true value of this has not been realized yet. So, what is the must-have list, Derek, for the new house? And be gentle.
We need an open concept kitchen and dining room. We need a principal bedroom with an ensuite and walk-in closet, minimum of 2 bathrooms, finished basement, be in this neighborhood. We have a ravine, we're close to the beach.
Listen, this is incredible and hard to match. However, the house is going to make up for it. What's the budget for the new house?
$1.2 million.
If I were to stay here, I'd have to have open concept kitchen and dining room. Nice kitchen where I can bake comfortably, just so you know.
Got it?
Add a shower in the upstairs bathroom. Renovate the basement bathroom. Somehow create a guest room. There's got to be a place for my parents to stay.
Understood.
And finally, you need to add a lot more storage.
So tell me now, what is my budget?
$100,000. That's all you get.
Really? I'm going to take that $100,000. I'm going to change the function of this house, and I think when I'm done, you're going to love it.
But I think if you want a bigger house, there's only going to be one place to get it, and that's with me. So when I find that house, the only thing you are both going to be saying about this house is listed.
There you go.
David launches his search for a neighboring home. Hilary and her construction team, brothers Mike and Matt, meet to go over how she'll transform the house.
Catarina is out of here unless we really make a big change. Tiny weeny house, but we're going to make it flow way better than it does now.
Okay.
I would love to be able to widen this more so that it doesn't feel so pokey. We have a lot to do on a small budget. Coming through to the dining room, replace the 2 windows with doors out. Very small kitchen. So So this wall has got to come down to open the kitchen up to the dining room. And then I want to add a big island right here. And then we're going to put new cabinets along this wall and add a station for coffee and, of course, her baking needs. All right, now, in the main bedroom, I have an issue. What I need to do is to increase the size of this closet. I just want to bring that wall forward at least 3 feet, change the access and offset it over here.
First house tour for Catarina and Derek. 12 minutes from their house. It's got 4 bedrooms, great open concept main floor, beautiful main bedroom with an incredible ensuite, a fully finished basement, incredible backyard. Is it backing onto a ravine like theirs? No. But other than that, this house is way better than theirs, from top to bottom. Wait till they see it. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, David.
What do you think?
Not bad.
I don't feel the beach here. It's far away.
Can we take a look at the house?
That's a great idea.
Very nice.
It looks very modern.
Got a beautiful dining area, living area, little
that.
seating area for coffee.
I like what I see so far.
I don't see a ravine, no leafy trees.
There's trees, I see leaves right there. Completely renovated and beautiful.
Look at these.
There is no way you are getting anything close to this from Hilary.
Yeah,
We're
it's
never gonna get these, honey.
So you've got bedrooms for the kids, you even got a spare bedroom for a guest room, an office space, whatever you want. 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
Let's go see your bedroom. Wall-to-wall storage.
Look at that.
Derek, any complaints?
The bedroom's large. I'm not crazy about the closet. Not a walk-in closet.
Let's see the bathroom.
Okay.
Have a look.
Oh, wow. My sink, your sink, my tub, your shower. This is perfect.
This house is listed at $1,147,000. So, $50,000 below the top end of your budget. However, if I drop this house in your neighborhood closer to the beach, it's $2 million plus.
Yeah. But I think we're on the right track with renovating the house that we're in. Then we don't have to move.
Hilary's team is framing the upstairs bathroom, installing new electrical, HVAC, and subfloor.
You know I want to widen this opening.
Well, we talked to the engineer, and he basically told us that because this wall is actually not on top of the beam in the basement, we have to do a new header and a new transfer beam in the basement just to even take 16 more inches.
Ballpark cost?
$2,500.
I would like to do that.
Hilary's team continues work putting up a new beam in the kitchen to support an open flow to the dining room, and new sliding doors are installed. Hilary brings in Catarina and Derek to talk about her idea to open up the doorway from the hall to the living room.
This has always, by anyone's standard, been a relatively small opening. I wanted to pull it back. To move this is a structural issue. That's around $2,500 to do. But here's my idea. I'm trying to make it so that you don't actually have to come up with more money. I'm going to try and do a trade-off. I had allocated a little bit over $2,000 in the budget to really turn this into a statement fireplace.
Yes.
Really fancy. New hearth, new tile, make it look fabulous. I could pull back on that and I can work with the existing brick. You know, I can paint out the firebox, I can get a new grate. I can make it look perfectly nice and spend the money on opening up the wall rather than doing the fireplace.
I think I prefer that.
I don't think I would prefer that at all. We already are opened up in the other rooms, and I think that the money should be spent on the fireplace, not opening up another wall. I think the fireplace is part of the charm of this old house. It has worked in the past, and I'd like to see it work again.
I have no idea how this is going to end up.
Something tells me it's not going to be the way I want.
With a small top-up from Derek of $2,000 plus her fireplace budget, Hilary was able to make a gas insert work for Derek. The new basement and upstairs bathrooms are prepped and tiled.
Derek has been telling me over and over again, David, get me closer to the beach. Well, the beach is right over there, and the house is 500 feet that way. The house itself is spectacular. It's got 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, beautiful open concept on the main floor. beautiful finished basement with a spare bedroom and bathroom. So let's see what they think. Lovely morning for a walk to the beach, don't you think? Mm-hmm. You must be happy.
I am happy.
Great location.
Yeah.
Great looking house. It's got a ton of stuff that I think you're both gonna love.
Okay.
Even you.
Even
right.
him. Very nice.
Open concept.
Yeah, it's open concept.
This is nice. I like this. This is my kind of white kitchen, perfect
Yeah.
for me to do my cooking and baking.
But I also like that it's not completely white, especially for Mr. Antiseptic over there.
That's right.
Who likes a little color in his life.
Great.
That's right.
Come this way.
Okay.
So, you've got your living room area, you've got your built-in fireplace, which is beautiful. The backyard.
Very nice.
You've got some grass area, you've got some entertaining area down at the back.
That's a plus.
Yeah.
Well done, David. So far, so good.
Thank you. What do you think this house is listed at, Derek?
1.4 million.
What do you think?
I think $1.5 million.
This house is listed at $1,250,000. Wow. So, you've got a done house close to the beach.
You've given us
That's
something to think about here.
Lots to talk about, honey.
Yep.
Well, here it is, the big day.
Hello.
And excited, I can tell.
Very excited.
Is it
Very
good?
excited.
I cannot wait to show you the transformation here. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh, Derek.
Oh my. Look at that.
Oh, and it's so beautiful.
It's fantastic.
Amazing. The
really
colors,
is.
exactly the way we like.
It's very calm.
Yes, we need that.
The fireplace now becoming a thing of beauty that also functions is key to this space because it is your cozy hangout, right?
Yes.
And guests can come in here before you take them for dinner.
Oh, Derek.
Wow. Look at that.
My kitchen.
Wow.
It looks so spacious.
It's amazing, isn't it? You take down a wall and bingo, suddenly you have a place that works. But every single inch of this place has been put to good use. So behind you, you have this lovely display cabinet, storage all the way along the wall. We've got the sliding doors that from here, all you see is the
Yeah.
greenery. You have such a
right.
beautiful
The
backyard.
windows did not give that to us. Derek.
Yes. Yes.
Look at
Wow. That's phenomenal. So much better.
Honestly, it could not have been worse.
Yeah, true.
Anything we did was an improvement here, but
that. No, but this is.
now a bathroom you can be proud of.
Oh, wow, Derek. Come
Wow.
see this.
Look at that.
Ah. Look
Yeah.
at the shower.
Yeah.
Wow.
You've got 2 shower heads.
Look at that.
Amazing and double amazing.
Come on, kids. This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
This is just a lovely getaway. You close the door, and this is now your space that you want to spend time in. We've got this sea glass headboard, the warm metal lights beside your bed.
You walked in, completely open concept from front to back. A fully finished basement, which gives you a ton of things that you don't have here. A dedicated guest bedroom, a beautiful bath. It's incredible.
Yes.
Truly.
This is now the new value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
I like that number.
The pre-renovation value of this home was $1.1 million. With a final renovation budget of $102,000. The post-renovation value of this home is $1.25 million. That's an increased value of $150,000.
Decision made?
I think so.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
Extra bathrooms, guest space.
So I just want to stay.
That's awesome.
We appreciate everything you've done. To search
Good.
for
Well,
that.
I had the best time, and I love transforming your home and making it into a place that I think you can stay in for as long as you decide to. You can really grow into this place.
Definitely.